Welcome to our channel. If you want to relieve urinary burning and find quick relief, follow these helpful steps. Step 1. Increase your water intake immediately to help flush out bacteria and dilute your urine, which can reduce burning sensations. Step 2. Avoid irritants like caffeine, alcohol, spicy foods, and acidic beverages that can worsen urinary discomfort. Step 3. Use a heating pad on your lower abdomen to help relax muscles and reduce pain and discomfort. Step 4. Try drinking unsweetened cranberry juice, which may help prevent bacteria from adhering to the urinary tract walls. Step 5. Take over-the-counter pain relievers like ibuprofen to reduce inflammation and discomfort, following package directions. Step 6. Urinate frequently and completely to help flush out bacteria and avoid holding urine for extended periods. Step 7. Wear loose, breathable cotton underwear and avoid tight-fitting pants to reduce irritation in the urinary area. Step 8. If symptoms persist for more than 2 days or worsen, consult a healthcare provider promptly as you may need antibiotics for a urinary tract infection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.